Expert commercial locksmith services Mike's Locks resolves complex lock issue in Hesperia's high desert store. At Mike's Locks, we take pride in providing prompt and professional locksmith services, even during challenging situations. One such instance occurred when a commercial lock in Hesperia's high desert store had its key broken inside it late at night, at 11 p.m. Our expert locksmiths swiftly arrived on the scene to assist the customer. However, the situation became more complicated because the customer had attempted to fix the lock herself, disassembling it and causing further issues. Commercial lock jobs often involve intricate mechanisms and delicate components, making them particularly challenging when tampered with. As experienced professionals, we always advise against customers attempting to fix complex locks on their own. In such cases, it's essential to reach out to a qualified locksmith immediately. Trying to tackle the problem without proper knowledge and tools can exacerbate the situation.